Hello, welcome back to Oppsss. So we have got a mini Skyhunter here, 1.2mm. Finally got it assembled after a year I purchased it. And let's quickly go through what I have in here. Is GNB 5000 mAh 4S because I need such a big battery to balance it. The tailboom already maximum forward. I have a GNS speed analyzer. You can find this in the link in the description. And then the receiver is the latest Radio Master receiver that support Sky D8. I'm not sure which version is it I put in here because I think I bought like 5 types of them. And then I put an oversized Sunny Sky motor. This is a 2814,000 kV, which may not be enough of speed, but is definitely overpowered because this is made for 2216, which is much smaller in comparison to this. And also there were some issues with the previous generation of mini Skyhunter 1.2, and Sony model has fixed them. For example, the flex of the wing at the tailboom side, so they supply a carbon plate at the back, so you just need to follow the guideline and then tape it up. And then I didn't split the carbon plate. I just cut the foam the inside here, the straight wall. Then it's damn stiff now. And also please glue this and secure this, and then so that reduce the fluttering of the rear tailboom. Servo, I'm using Emax, 3 of them, 2 at the front, 1 at the back. And this looks really awesome in the sun. See, by Sonic model, great job they have done there to revive this model. It's a Maiden, wish me luck. Damn it. So that was torque twist because it rolls crazily to the right, and then you can see my propeller is spinning to the left. A large propeller spins to the left, so the plane tilts to the right too much. And I damaged my first 4S 5000 GMB battery as well. This is a Maiden with it. Fortunately not too much of damage, but there's so they seem to put a thick foam here, so hopefully the inside is not damaged.